Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first one is a shark. The next one is a clownfish. This is a clownfish. The next one is a lobster. This is a lobster. The next one is a pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. A pufferfish. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. A seahorse. A starfish. This is a starfish. The next one is a triceratops. This is a triceratops. The next one is a cow. This is a cow. A panda. This is a panda. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is alligator. This is alligator. Orange fish. This is orange fish.